Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Grace Kennedy Pension Fund will be spending more than $1 billion to build a multi-use supercenter for Fosrich Lighting Company. The agreement to build the new facility was signed today. Javon Keys was there.
Grace Kennedy Pension Fund is spending $1.8 billion to build a supercenter on Malines Road, St. Andrew, which will house electrical lighting and PVC company Fosrich. Ground will be broken for the more than 13,000 square foot facility to be completed in 18 months. Chairman of the Grace Kennedy Pension Fund, Douglas Orain, says this project is part of GK Pension's strategy to diversify the holdings of the pension fund, which is managed by Proven Wealth. The property is located at 76 Malines Road.
Grace Kennedy Pension Fund owned a large plot of land there. It was a few acres. We have already built in the first phase a warehouse for Fosrich, which they are currently occupying at the back of the property. And now at the front, we are building a supercenter, which is a 4-story building. It's going to sell all range of products that Fosrich sells. It will also have offices on the upper floors. It's a 4-story building, and it will have a huge amount of parking.
He says this project should be used as an example of pension funds being more agile in their financial strategy. Fosrich will hold a long-term lease for the property. The company's CEO, Cecil Foster, says it's looking to increase its hardware offerings at the new location.
We are going really deep into the offering of finishing products to the market. We think we can do a lot by offering a one-stop place where you can come in and get from your electrical, from your PVC, from your energy, from your tiles and whatever it is in bringing a construction from start to finish.
Mr. Foster says major brands will also have innovation centers at the Fosrich Supercentre, displaying the latest industry technology. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Frontier Airlines has increased its services to Kingston with flights twice weekly from Atlanta in the U.S. Regional Director for Jamaica at the Jamaica Tourist Board, Odette Sobram Dar, says it's partly due to increased demand for flights to Jamaica.
Jamaica continues to be an in-demand destination, and this is quite evident in the number of gateways that Frontier has opened into the destination in short order. It adds tremendous value. The more gateways that they open into the destination is the more visitor arrivals that we have. More visitor arrivals translate into more employment, more heads in bed overall, and contributes to the economic growth of the destination.
Frontier Airlines operates from Miami to Kingston. The carrier also offers flights to Montego Bay from a few gateways. In addition to flights on Mondays and Fridays, Frontier is also expanding to other countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.40. $114.62 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $177.11 for the pound, while it's costing an average $155.43 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 2,127 points today, while the junior market index gained 21 points. Among the winners, Sterling Investments, 138 Student Living Jamaica VR Preference, Everything Fresh, Express Catering, and First Rock Real Estate Investments. Losers include 138 Student Living Jamaica, Iron Rock Insurance, Jamaica Producers Group, Mayberry Investments, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.